Hey guys, Chris from MOTIV here. In this demonstration, we're going to show you the fault reporting and safety features from the MOTIV Reflex Sequential Fuel and Auxiliary Controller to the DME over CAN bus using MHD. To start, this will be for all F-Series, including the N13, N55, and S55. First, we would like to thank MHD for their hard work and time spent to implement these advanced features. They truly took it to the next level and made this the safest and most reliable way to run supplementary fuel port injection. For those unfamiliar with CAN bus, it's a digital communication network in which components can talk to each other. This digital communication can send and receive much more data on the same two wires than analog systems, and is a fundamental way BMW and other newer vehicles process data and control the vehicle from module to module. When the reflex detects an open or shorted fuel injector, including the wiring, a self-diagnosed driver, or a fault in the ethanol content analyzer, it sends a specific fault over CAN bus to the DME. From there, MHD uses this data to trigger several things. First and foremost is limp mode, to offer the best and safest scenario during a faulted condition. Second, you'll get a check engine light, and lastly, you will be able to view the faults with MHD's custom fault codes. Yes, MHD has developed their own fault codes to offer additional information. There's even custom shadow codes for faults that auto-clear. In addition to internal error reporting, MHD has set up user-defined low fuel pressure limit to induce limp mode when this threshold is met. This will be demonstrated on a follow-up video. Here we're going to demonstrate a fault if a fuel injector becomes disconnected, a wire gets cut, pinched, or an internal coil for the fuel injector becomes open and unable to drive. As I disconnect this plug, you can see an immediate fault on the top left data logging channel for the reflex PI error. The number that appears in the data logging channel is the affected cylinder's injector. You can see injector number 2 has a fault. Simultaneous to this, it will instantly be reverted to limp mode of 6.5 psi or 350 newton meters of torque, which is in the realm of the stock fuel system. Also, at the same time, you'll get a check engine light and a corresponding MHD fault code. Here you can see the reflex PI injector error, along with some shadow codes as an example. Port injection faults are latched, and limp mode will be active until they are cleared and the car is restarted. This is to prevent any intermittent failure from causing damage until the problem is identified and fixed. Thank you guys for watching, and stay safely tuned for more advanced features in the future.